Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook sausage menudo. It's very simple but delicious. Okay, so we need salt, black pepper, water, menudo sauce, and then the carrots, potatoes, the sausages, peas, bell pepper, garlic, onion. So to start, saute the garlic. Okay, saute the garlic and then saute the onions. Pepper. And then guys, the sausages. So I put just a little soy sauce. The sauce. You know the sauce? Also the carrots and potatoes. Because we're gonna add the carrots and potatoes because the sausages are cooked. Are already cooked, okay? And then stir it. And then is also stir it again. Okay. And then guys, potatoes and carrots are cooked. Okay. It's done. So, okay. If it is needed a salt, I'm gonna add just a pinch of salt only. Black pepper. Now it's done guys. It's super yummy na. Look at that one. Our sausage menudo is done. Okay. Our beautiful sausage menudo is done. Okay. It's yummy. Our sausage menudo. Okay guys, thank you for watching. And then please follow me and subscribe in my YouTube channel, Dibruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching. Our sausage menudo, it's super yummy.